So my cat Whisker has been head over paws for this cat named Luna. He even told me he wanted to marry her and I was all for it. But then, while I was out shopping, I saw Luna with another cat getting cozy right on the street. I couldn't believe my eyes. I rushed home and told Whisker. He dashed out, and when he saw her with that other cat, it was like a scene from a drama. She tried to play the victim, crying and all, but Whisker wasn't having any of it. He stood his ground and broke up with her right then and there. I was so proud of him for not letting her fool him. Love can be tough even for cats.